This is going to be a really short video. I want to do it as a separate video because it's all about receiving your BAT tokens that you've earned. Basically, around the 5th, 6th of every month, you will see a claim button which you can click in your browser, and then you get your BAT tokens. If you have a verified wallet that is linked to Uphold, then you do not need to do this. It will automatically go straight to your Uphold account. In this example, you can see that the wallet is verified and it's shown as having 38.6 BAT. I didn't click any claim button, it just automatically went into the Uphold account and showed in my wallet here. This is just a reminder to back up your wallet. You may have already done it, and hopefully you have already done it, but because you now have BAT tokens in the wallet, it's just a reminder. Make sure you've backed up your wallet. Just click back up and then you come to this screen. There's a recovery key. Obviously I've blocked out part of it. I don't want anyone nicking my wallet. And I recommend that you save this onto a USB stick or a couple of USB sticks, and then it'll be safe. In this example, you can see at the top, your rewards from ads are here, and then the orange claim button. If you click that, depending on when you click it, if you do it in the morning, there can be a bit of a delay because they pay out once a month. So everybody is potentially clicking this claim button at the same time or within a certain period. You now have to verify that you're human, and drag the BAT icon or logo to wherever it's asking you to do it. You've earned an ads reward. Your reward is on its way to your Brave Rewards wallet. And there's the amount, 11.3 BAT. Just click OK. And there you can see it now in the wallet. And that's it. That's how you claim your BAT rewards. A short video, it's the end of the short video, but an important one because let's face it, that's what you want. You want to know how to claim your BAT tokens. Hope you find this video useful. If you do, I'd appreciate a thumbs up, subscribe, and every time I release content like this about making money online using technology, mobile phones, you'll be notified. Thank you.